How do atoms differ? It's the number of the protons in the nucleus of an atom that makes them different from each other. Atomic number is represented by Z. The number of protons determine the identity of an element. In any neutral atom, the number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. That is why atoms have no overall electrical charge. If you are going to look at the periodic table, there will be some boxes, and in each box there is an atom or an element, for example, hydrogen, which is a chemical name. Then it is represented by a chemical symbol. There is an atomic number written as well as average atomic mass is written. Remember that the mass number is different from average atomic mass. Now, what is a mass number? It is the sum of the protons and the neutrons in the nucleus. Now, atomic mass is different from the mass number as it is the weighted average mass of all the naturally occurring isotopes of that element. Well, for that, you have to watch the video that I've made for the isotopes and percent abundance. Atomic mass is always represented in decimals. However, in a mass number is always a whole number. In such case of hydrogen, the mass number of hydrogen will be 1. Let us practice. For this one, you will be needing a periodic table. And in periodic table, once you are going to look at the element, in such case, I have lead. The symbol is written correctly in a correct way. The atomic number is 82. And we know that the atomic number is equal to the number of protons, that will be 82 as well. And since it's a neutral atom that is found in the periodic table, so number of electrons are always equal to the number of protons. How to calculate the number of neutrons? For this one, we need to remember the formula of the mass number, which is equal to the number of protons plus number of neutrons. To find out the number of the neutrons, we are going to subtract the number of protons from the mass number. And lead has a mass number of 207. So 207 minus 82, it will be giving us 125 number of neutrons. So it will be having 125 neutrons. Now, if we have to find out the element, we are going to look at the number of protons that we know is always equal to the atomic number, which will be written in the periodic table. So the atomic number is 8. Once we are going to see in the periodic table, that will be the oxygen. We'll be writing the symbol in a correct way. That will be the uppercase O. Since it's a neutral atom, so number of electrons will be equal to the number of protons. Now, how many number of neutrons will it have? It will be 16 minus 8 will be 8. Now, to find out that what is the name of this third element, the number of electrons are given, which are 30. So we know it's a neutral atom, so number of electrons and protons are always equal. That will be 30. Atomic number will be 30 as well. The element name is zinc, and we are going to write the symbol in a correct way. The first letter is always the uppercase and the second letter is the lowercase. Now, the mass number of the zinc is 65. So 65 minus 30, that will be 35 number of neutrons. Thanks for watching.